Hello. Did you know that the ideal work environment for analytical people is often described as orderly operation without people? It's true. Different personalities, different cultures, and different attitudes seem to make everything a little bit more complicated. But there is also a huge opportunity to be able to take advantage of this tremendous diversity of thought. Yesterday I had a conversation with the owner of an injection molding business. He said to me, "I'm really good at what I do and I like to put my head down and work. However, when it comes to small talk and dealing with people, I'm not good with that. That's why we try to automate as much as we can." Of course, avoidance is one way to deal with a problem, but let me tell you a secret. The problem won't go away. If you automate, you will encounter different challenges. Maybe you need someone to fix a machine, or you have to have people on site who need to be able to troubleshoot. Communication is a skill that cannot be avoided. Actually, 70% of your day is communication. Emails, phone calls, meetings, presentations, and I don't even speak about the communication skills you need to have in your personal life with your family. Wait for the time when your children become teenagers. Communication can be learned, and it's easier than you think when you have the tools and techniques right at your fingertips. You can be the smartest cookie in the room, but how does this help you if you cannot bring your message across? Get in touch with me if you want to learn more. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.